This video will provide an update on the hair relaxer class action lawsuit. Recent scientific studies have linked the chemicals in hair relaxers to the development of uterine cancer and other health complications. Now, women who used hair relaxer and were subsequently diagnosed with cancer are bringing product liability lawsuits against the cosmetic companies. Our firm already has thousands of clients. All hair relaxer lawsuits in federal court have been consolidated before a single judge in Chicago. These cases are now in the PreTrial Discovery phase. In this phase, both sides exchange information about the cases. This may include documents, depositions, and interrogatories on issues that apply to all of the cases. As we get further through the pretrial work, a small group of cases, known as bellwether cases, will be selected to go through deeper discovery and potentially trial. These cases are typically representative of the larger group and are used to gauge how juries might respond to the evidence and arguments that will be presented in the remaining cases. Product liability claims in mass torts, such as the hair relaxer lawsuits, are often addressed through comprehensive settlement agreements known as global settlements. In such settlement agreements, all defendants usually contribute to a substantial settlement fund, which is then utilized to distribute payments to the litigation plaintiffs. The distribution of settlement funds to individual plaintiffs is typically based on a multifaceted set of criteria designed to rank plaintiffs into different settlement tiers according to the severity and validity of their claims. Plaintiffs placed in the highest settlement tiers due to the strength of their case receive the largest settlements, while those in the lower tiers receive less compensation. In the event that the hair relaxer lawsuits culminate in a global settlement, the settlement tiers would likely be determined according to the type of injury sustained. The most severe injuries, such as uterine and ovarian cancer, would likely fall into the top tiers. The strongest of these cases will likely settle for near or over $1 million. Don't wait to call a lawyer. Every state imposes a statute of limitations that sets a deadline for when you can initiate a lawsuit. If you don't file your claim before this deadline, you'll forfeit your right to sue. If you get hit by a bus, the statute of limitations is not complicated. But the statute of limitations in cases like the hair relaxer lawsuits is complicated. Each state operates on a different time frame. In a hair relaxer lawsuit, the crucial point is not the length of the limitation period, but when it begins in your state. Because most states adopt a discovery rule to ascertain when the statute of limitations starts, according to this rule, the limitation period commences not necessarily on the date of the injury, but when the plaintiff discovers grounds for a lawsuit. But there are so many exceptions and every jurisdiction is different. Again, if you have a claim, call a lawyer today. You can call us at 800-553-8082. We can help.